video, Marma with the Samanya Lakshana, that is general signs and symptom develop on injury to the Marma, and Vishesha Lakshana, that is specific signs and symptom developed on injury to Mamsa, Sira, Snayu, Asti, Sandhi and Dhamani Marma are explained. Now coming to Marma with the Samanya Lakshana, that is general signs and symptom which may develop on injury to any of the Marma, which may be Mamsa, Sira, Snaya, Asti, Sandhi or Dhamani, or Sandhi Pranahara, Kalandara Pranahara, etc. So Shruta in Sutrasthana explain Brahma Pralapa Pratanam Pramoho Vicheshtanam Samlayanoshnathecha Srastangata Murchana Murthavata Tivra Ruja Vatakrataschatascha Mamsodakavam Rudiram Jagachet Sarvendriyartho Paramastateva Dasharda Sankeshvapi Vikshiteshu Samanyato Marmasu Lingamuktam. Which means the patient may have a following set of symptoms, like there may be Brahma, that is vertigo; Pralapa, the patient may have irrelevant speech; Patana, the patient may fall down; there may be Pramoha, that is delusion; Vicheshtana, there may be loss of activity of the body parts; Samlayana, the patient may have semi-consciousness; Ushnata, there may be increase in body temperature; Srastangata, the body parts may get weakened; Murcha, the patient may get faint; Urdhvavata, there may be dyspnea; Tivra Ruja, severe pain caused by Vata; Mamsodakavam Rudiram Jagachet, there may be bleeding like a meat wash; Sarvendriyartho Paramaha Tataiva, that is loss of sensory perception. It doesn't mean that all the symptoms should appear in every injury to Marma. Depending upon the Marma, there may be a set of symptoms which may develop on injury. Now coming to Vishesha Marma Vidya Lakshana of Mamsadi Marma. In Sushruta Samhita there is no direct reference regarding this, whereas Ashtanga Hridaya have mentioned the Vishesha Lakshana of Mamsadi Marma on their injury. First coming to Mamsa Marma, the Mamsa Marma on injury may produce a following set of symptoms, like Vidde Ajasramasraksravo Mamsadhavanavatanu Pandutvam Indriyajnanam Maranam Chashu Mamsaje. That is Ajasramasraksrava. There will be profuse bleeding from the site of injury, Mamsadhavanavatanu, and the bleeding will be having the characteristic feature of Mamsadhavana, that is meat wash; Pandu, there will be pallor of skin; Indriyajnana, the patient may have loss of sensation or sensory perception; Ashumarana, there may be sudden death of the patient. So next one is Asti Marma. The Asti Marma, like Katika Taruna, Nitamba, Shanka, etc., an injury produces Majjanvito Acho Vichinnaha Sravo Rukchasti Marmani. That is Majjanvito Acho Vichinna. That is the discharge of the fluid which constitute Majja, and this discharge will be a continuous one. And Rukchasti Marmani, the condition will be associated with severe pain. So these are the symptoms which may develop on injury to the Asti Marma. The symptoms which may develop on injury to Snayu Marma, like Ani, Vitapa, Kurcha, etc., are as follows: Ayamakshepaka Stambha Snavaja Bhedikam Ruja Yana Sthanasana Shakti Vaikalyam Athavantakaha. That is Ayama, which means bending of the body; Akshepaka, there will be convulsions; Stamba, the body parts may get stiff; adhika ruja, there will be severe pain. Yana asana ashakti, inability to sit or write. Vaikalya, there will be disability. Antaka, the patient may die. So these are the symptoms which may develop on injury to the Snayu Marma. Vagbhata have contributed a new concept in the Marma by considering Dhamani Marma separately. The Dhamani Marma are like Guda, Vidura, etc. on injury produce the following symptom, that is Raktam Sashabda Phenoshtam Dhamaniste Vichetasa, which means Raktam Sashabda Phenoshtam, the blood which is frothy and warm flows out with sound, and the person becomes unconsciousness on injury to the Dhamani Marma. So these are the symptoms which may develop on injury to the Dhamani Marma. The next one is Sira Marma. Sira Marma, like Nila, Manya, Matraka, etc., on injury produces Sira Marma Vyade Sandra Madastram Bahvasrik Sravet Tatakshayat Trat Brahmashvasa Moha Hidma Abhirandakaha. Vagbhata says, on injury to Sira Marma, there will be bleeding. The blood will be thick here and flows out continuously. And this results in Raktakshaya. And as a result of, or as a complication of Raktakshaya, the following symptoms are developed, like Trit, there will be thirst, Brahma, that is giddiness, Shwasa, the patient may have dyspnea, Moha, the patient may have delusion, Hidma, there will be hiccups, and Antakaha, and these symptoms leads to death of the patient. The last variety is Sandhi Marma. The Sandhi Marma, like Janu, Kurpara, Simanta, etc., on injury produces the following symptoms, like Vastushvike Rivakirna, Rudecha, Kunikanjata, Balacheshtakshaya Kshopa, Parvashofascha Sandhije, which means on injury there will be feeling as if the presence of some foreign body in the Sandhi. Rude api kunikanja, which means even after healing there will be shortening of the limb and lameness. Balakshaya, that is loss of strength of the body part. Cheshtakshaya, loss of movement of the body part. Shosha, there will be emaciation, and Parvashofa, swelling in the smaller joints. So these are the symptoms which may develop on injury to the Sandhi Marma. So these are the specific symptom which may develop on injury to a particular variety of Marma. So whenever a physician come across a Marma injury, he should evaluate properly by considering the different factors, like first one, by considering the general signs and symptom which mentioned, then the specific symptoms related to Mamsadi variety, and the specific symptom to the particular Marma. For example, if you consider Kshipra Marma, the Kshipra Marma, under Kshipra Marma, the specific symptom which is mentioned like Akshepaka, and there may be additional symptom which may develop, like the Kshipra is a Snayu Marma. So Snayu Marma on injury, it may produce Ayema, Akshepaka, Stamba, and Ruja, Yana, Sthana, Asana, Shakti, Vaikalyaka, Athava, Antaka. So along with the Akshepaka, there may be other symptoms which is specific to Snayu Marma, like Yana, Asana, Ashakti, Adhika, Ruja. So these may also develop, whereas The akshepaka is specific to the kshipra. Similarly, there may be other symptoms like which are general to the all the marma, like brahma, pralapa, patana, vicheshtana, samlayana, ushnata, srastangata, etc. So, collectively, one should try to evaluate the marma viddha lakshana.